Deactivate Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can deactivate Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically deactivate your Instagram account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Instagram application here. Then you want to simply tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side, then simply go to Account Center. From Account Center, you want to simply scroll down and you'll find an option known as Personal Details. Just tap on Personal Details, go to Account Ownership and Control, then just go to this option here known as Deactivation or Deletion. Then from here select Instagram account, then just select the option called Deactivate Account, tap and continue, and your Instagram account will get deactivated. That's all it takes to deactivate Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.